I just stumbled across an awesome TradingView indicator that spits out buy and sell signals based on price retests and support and resistance levels. Check out these recent signals on the Ethereum chart with a 5-minute time frame. One trade had a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio, risking 2% per trade. Could have netted you a 6% profit. This strategy's got a solid profit factor. Another trade worked like a charm too, with a quick sell-off right after the price hit the resistance level and pulled back. And here's another spot-on entry that led to a winning trade. Imagine pairing this indicator with other tools to confirm your moves. Your win rate could shoot up to 80 or even 90%, because I'm going to share my go-to strategy using this support and resistance retest finder. By the time we're done, you'll have everything you need to start racking up consistent profits from trading. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off by showing you how to add this indicator to your chart and how it works. To set it up, head to TradingView.com, pull up a chart, go to the Indicators menu, and search for Retest Support Resistance Signals by Chart Prime. Pick that one. This indicator is a game changer for spotting key support and resistance levels in the market. What makes it special is that it catches retests of these levels and marks them on your chart with an R to show potential confirmation of support or resistance. It uses a mix of pivot points and price action analysis to give you killer insights for both the signal-based and support-resistance trading strategies. Here's how it works. The indicator waits for a price to break above a support or resistance level, then watches what happens next. If the price pulls back, forms a wick below the level and bounces, it flags it as a retest. You can tweak the settings to detect retests based on the wick or the candle body. Another setting to play with is the pivot length. For example, bumping it from 20 to 40 will give you fewer signals. I'd stick with the default settings for the best results. Let's check out the trade example here. Say market's been trending up hard, but you notice the momentum slowing down in a demand zone, where new buyers jumped in and pushed the price higher. If the price breaks below a strong support level, that level flips into a resistance. When the price struggles to break through and retest that resistance, this indicator fires off a sell signal right on cue. But heads up, not every signal is a winner. Some can lead to losses. That's why you need a filter to weed out these dots. My favorite, the Fibonacci retracement tool. Find the Fibonacci tool on the left side of TradingView, click it, and draw it on your chart. First, tweak it. Double-click, keep only the key levels like 0, 0.38, 0.5, and 0.61, and 1. Extend the lines to the right, and set the background opacity to 0. Confirming signals with Fibonacci is easy. Just find the latest high and low before the signal. If you're new, try the higher high, lower low indicator by Lonesome the Blue to spot peaks and lows. Turn off its lines in the settings for clarity. When you get a sell signal, draw a Fibonacci from the latest high to the low to check if the price is overextended during a pullback to resistance. Overextension past the 0.38 level could mean a trend reversal, so avoid those trades. If the price hits 0.38 and bounces, that's a green light trade in the same direction. Down in this case. For example, when the market hit a support level, we drew a Fibonacci from the recent low to the high. The price bounced perfectly off the 0.38 level. For a long trade, set your stop loss below the key level for recent swing low and aim for at least a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. In another case, the price broke below support. We tested it, and the indicator gave a sell signal. We checked the Fibonacci, saw the price didn't pass 0.38, and confirmed the sell. It worked out great. If you're liking this, please hit that like button and subscribe. It means a lot to us. Not a Fibonacci fan? Try the linear regression channel by Lonesome the Blue instead. Tweak its settings a bit. The straight line indicator predicts price moves by plotting a channel. For a buy, you need a buy signal, a green or bullish channel, and the price below the middle line. Open a long trade at the candle's close. Here's something exciting. If I were you, I wouldn't be spending from my own pocket to trade when you can get funded easily. And how to do that is what my friend Michael is about to tell you.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure with Funded Next. You trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with Funded Next. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get? Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join Funded Next today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next.
You can also automate this or any other trading strategy using the recommended playlist on your screen plus more. Make sure to watch them. Believe me, you won't regret it. Test this strategy on different time frames, but always back this fully before going live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.